everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Yes, we've gone back to the old orientation. You know, sometimes you're just like, let's go back to the old way because it wasn't broken, but I like to switch it up. So today, yes, I'm using some Enel Couture. I'm going to be doing some spring Enel Couture duck fantasy nails. So I'm just going to put a little bit of monomer in there because I'm not going to really need a lot, simply because I'm just going to use it to put on my duck tips so I can kind of have like a nude base. So this is the milk cappuccino and I just want to have it down so that way whatever my options are, I have that nude on the base. I have something down, so I'm just going to get that now, make sure it's on. Okay, a little bit of filing to do because I don't really want to change this shape of the duck nails because they are perfect. So I'm just refining that perfect shape already and just finding the areas where need be and that free edge. Buff that nail now and everywhere that I filed. So I've got a few greens. I've got the Summer Candy 04 and I have this one as well, 141, which is another beautiful green. And I also have a Space Galaxy Kitty 012, which is 12. So we definitely want to use that. And I have this Fun Gel 031. So I'm missing one color. So I've got another few colors. I've got BB36, the BB Ombre Gel, and BB56. But I'm thinking I'm going to go with this one, 118. Look at the nails. Oh, wow. I am loving this green. I have faffed around for longer than you will ever know. Just putting some of that gummy gel in there. And this just kind of sat in there. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are how the nails are looking. Now, what do we think? What is this giving? Definitely a queen vibe. The queen of the green. Like, I cannot. And I have to clear my throat. That cat eye and the gold. Again, guys, feel free to use and share my discount code on screen. Oh, what do we think? Yes. Like rich duck nail vibes. Yes. Love that. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please catch me in the next one. I'm in love. The green spring green vibes, and I love that. I'm happy I put the cat eye everywhere. We can see the summer gel. Oh, and look at the flower and the bling. Oh, let's go to this now. Again, so stunning. Love it. And what are you going on with here? We've got a little heart there. I tried not to cover the heart with the cat eye, so I did go around it. So beautiful. So yeah, guys, I'm out. Bye.
Bye.